All right, should we go inside?
Yeah.
Okay. These,
So we have Gage in here sweating.
oh yeah, I forgot he's in there just
Oh yeah, he's
waiting
in
for us
there.
to show up. You want me to go first?
Yeah.
How's it going? You all right, Gage? Mm-hmm. It is a little warm in here.
So
This is cool.
really cool trailer. I love this one.
Wow.
How many times do you see a front living trailer
Like,
as a travel trailer?
right, right.
You know,
This is-
so like usually what you see is that this is like a Murphy bed.
Yep.
But man, like the bed's all the way in the back.
Right.
So this is all living recliners, and you have the under
let's
boost
switch around
storage.
so you can get look back through here. How cool
Under
this
boost
looks.
seat storage. You got wireless charging ports all over this place. I actually had the opportunity to go through about a week ago and did a full walkthrough video of this exact trailer to go on YouTube. So if you guys really want to see more of this trailer, you know, in the time that we are keeping it restricted to, if you want to see more on that, go to YouTube, and I think we just posted the video on this one.
Yeah, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, RV Wholesalers YouTube channel, you'll see a bunch of videos. Like you said, you walk through this and you take your time and actually walk through. We got to get through a lot of RVs today, so we hit it pretty quickly.
So we go through them pretty quick, but most RVs that you see on our virtual RV show, you can go onto our YouTube page and you can see most, if not all, videos that are complete and thorough walkthroughs of each one. So go ahead and, you know, make sure you hit subscribe so you know what everything that we're doing and like the videos. Let us know what you think.
Cool. All right, so let's talk about this.
Yeah, so
Little kitchen area feels like it's separated. I love that it's kind of separated from.
yeah, it's a
delivery,
nice
just
feel
because
in
of
here.
this.
You get countertop extension. You this makes down into a bed. Nice placement of the TV. That's also on a swivel bracket. You have hidden hinge cabinetry everywhere. So all the hinges are on the inside. Makes everything just look super flush.
I got a question for you. Something they check on PDI. Something seems a little off. Can you tell what looks off in here?
What looks off?
Oh yeah. Is that on purpose? Is that a?
Yeah. So
gray...
they do it, and they break up the interior a little bit.
Okay.
Now.
I guess it matches, it matches this over here, so I get it now.
To kind of stay modern, like you'll see like the accent colors and touches everywhere. So like it's off, but modern. It looks up to date. Yeah. You know, and it just kind of offsets. Like
I actually kind of dig it now. Now that I've noticed this. Yeah,
so it's definitely intentionally done.
Okay.
So, you know, actually it's funny you say that because, like, that was the first thing I noticed. Like, I was, you know, in the military, I was prior machinist before I got into sales.
Right.
You know, so, like, I noticed that stuff super fast.
Well, as soon as I walked in, I thought, first I thought, wow, I kind of like that there's the cabinet doors are gray.
Yeah.
And then I looked over here, I'm like, well, they're not gray in the in there. That's fine.
Yeah,
and then I looked down here. I'm like, no, are they the only gray ones?
It's just minor accenting colors. See, it's a little bit, but it's not overdone. That's just something from Winnebago. It's just I think most would call it modern chic.
Yeah, yeah. Those are the.
I don't even know what that means. It just sounded right.
We'll have to ask Tim. He drinks sparkling water. He would know what that means.
He loves sparkling raspberry water. Yeah, he would definitely know.
No, that is. I totally dig that now. I want to go home and change some of my cabinets. So I say we come clear back here and then we'll work our way back up through there and hit the bathroom and stuff.
Yeah. So Winnebago, full size queen bed. So this one, unlike the Puma that we walked through before, this one is 60 by 80 inches. So this one is a full size queen bed. So if you wanted to get a low profile pillow top mattress on the, if you find one, you know, don't even mess with the sizing with the Winnebago. It's 60 by 80, just like what you'd have in your house. Okay. Awesome amount of bedside storage and above bed storage. You have ventilation fan, sliding barn style door with a magnet that holds it shut. Okay. I mean, there's a lot with Winnebago. You can just talk about it forever.
There's a lot of storage there.
There is a lot of storage.
And the door behind you.
Yeah, and then the door that goes out here. This is the back door that we were talking about while we were outside.
Great. All right, so as we walk back here, look at all this storage here. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah,
1,
and these
2,
are very
3, 4,
deep.
5. Yeah.
They're like 22 inches deep for each of these big four cabinets.
It goes
Clear to the sidewall.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, you know, small trailer, but I mean, when you're talking about how much stuff you can put in here, and these big cabinets are actually right over top of the axles.
Okay.
So like, you know, it's going to balance out whatever big stuff and items that are heavy.
Right. Oh, that's good. That's
in
good
here.
thinking.
Yep.
We'll take a look in here real quick. Look in the bathroom.
Yep.
Find the light switch. There's a light switch in here somewhere. There. Fine. Is it back there? Oh, it's there underneath the.
There it is.
All right.
So walk-in 36-inch shower. You got the nice stowaway shower curtain on a track.
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about this thing getting fresh with you.
Oh yeah, look at that.
You know.
Jeez. I forgot I didn't lock it in. That's scary.
Yeah.
Well,
that will
if I'm gonna
close
pee
on
myself,
its
this
own.
is the place to do it.
Winnebago has porcelain toilets as a standard feature. Travel trailer this size, it has more than reasonable amount of counter space in the bathroom.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, just really cool.
It's a nice little drawer right there next to keep your stuff in
yeah,
it.
very
Set it up
cool
here, drop
trailer.
it down in there. Yeah. Awesome. All right. So, yeah, you get your 3-burner top. Is that 3-burner?
Yeah,
Looks like a big 3-burner.
This is a big 3-burner, so there's no oven in this one. Instead, you're getting a convection oven or convection microwave, whatever you want to call it. But it opens up more space down below, not having that oven, for a nice, you know, spot for your fuse panel. And then you got a nice big pots and pans drawer, where instead of having the big oven there, you have still have the ability to cook, but have more space. This thing is full of space.
Yeah. Love it. I dig this up here. Seriously, normally you're used to a bed here or at least a Murphy bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very cool.
All right.